Hi, welcome back to our channel where we discuss various accounting topics. Today, we will be discussing taxation, which is an essential part of accounting.
Yes, I've heard that taxes can be quite complicated.
That's right. Taxes are a crucial part of any economy, and it's crucial to understand how they work.
Can you explain what taxation is?
Sure. Taxation is a process by which the government levies a fee on individuals or entities to finance public goods and services.
What types of taxes are there?
There are various types of taxes, including income tax, sales tax, payroll tax, property tax, and more.
How does the government use tax revenue?
The government uses tax revenue to finance public goods and services such as infrastructure, health care, education, and defense.
How can businesses and individuals reduce their tax liability?
There are several ways to reduce your tax liability, such as investing in tax-efficient vehicles, taking advantage of tax credits, and minimizing taxable income.
What are some common mistakes people make when filing their taxes?
Common mistakes include missing tax deadlines, failing to report all income, and claiming deductions that are not valid. That's all for today. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of taxation. Remember, taxes can be complicated, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate the system and avoid costly mistakes.
Thank you so much for your time and explanation.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on accounting topics like taxation.